internal links and why they matter. If you have been in SEO space or have read about SEO, GEO, AEO, or organic visibility in general, you must have read that internal linking is super important for a page ranking. Now, there is a very interesting research that was done by Cyrus Shepard, who was chief SEO strategist at Moz, and he had done a research on 23 million internal links, and he found that 53% of them had 53% of the websites have less than 3 internal links. Now, the signal that it gives out is that if your main or money page or the pages where you're getting a lot of traffic is not pointing to other pages, it's not important for you, and in turn even Google does not find it important. And so what ends up happening is that it does not give it that much of a crawl weightage, not much of a page rank, and even now, given the agents crawling the websites, it's not deemed as important, which means you in turn get lesser impressions and lesser citations. In this video, I will show you how, for a newly created page, you can use Claude and add internal links, find opportunities where it can be naturally placed, and just insert internal links without having to do any manual work. So what we'll do is, I have a newly created page. Like, we recently launched an integration on a new platform and we have docs created for it, and I want internal linking for this because this page is not linked anywhere. So what I'll do is, I have about 50 blogs posted, so I will ask Claude to find relevant opportunities where we can paste these links naturally. And one important thing while you are doing internal linking is that the anchor text must have the main keyword. So it shouldn't be like click here or try now, things like that. If you are trying to do internal linking, it's best to have the main keyword in the anchor tag. So what we'll do is, we'll use Leafpad for this. I have my connector Leafpad right here. You can find another video on how you can sort of integrate this, but what we'll do is, we'll ask Claude, we have a new page which is integration docs of Shopify. I want you to get all the Leafpad blogs and find opportunities where we can naturally link these this page in as an internal link. I need at least 3 to 5 such opportunities, and once you find those pages, I want you to add sentences or modify sentences by inserting this link. Remember that in the anchor tag, we must have the main keyword, which would be Shopify Leafpad or grow your blog with Shopify. So Shopify should be the main target keyword there. Now what this will do is, since I need to ask, get all the Leafpad blogs. I think this should be enough. Let's see. Okay, so it has started listing all the blogs from my site, which would be right here. So we have all the blogs right here, and we are accessing all of this via an MCP, via Claude. So Leafpad's MCP via Claude, and we are getting all these posts. Let's just wait for this to get done. Alright, so this took about 3 minutes. One thing is that I missed adding the exact link which I want the internal linking to be done for. So I added that and I reran this. So you can see that there were 5 opportunities that were found in our blog section, wherein we could naturally add our new page as an internal link, and so this would help with our crawlability. So you can see that our one blog that was titled SEO Automated Platform versus CMS, and there was a comparison table where we had Shopify. So this was automatically updated, and now post 1 is done. So all of this is being done by Claude, and our blog is dynamically being changed here. So we'll review the change that was done for the first blog, which is the particular title that we are seeing here. So let's just find Shopify right here. So we can see there is a table, it got that context, and yeah, Shopify merchants can now connect their store, start publishing blogs, follow the Leafpad integration guide, and I click here, and that's it. We got 5 internal links in about it took a while. Again, this update is being done by Claude, so fetching all the blogs took about 3 minutes, and now updating the blog content has already taken about 5 minutes. So this is about realistically the time it took, but hey, this would drastically improve your page ranking. Go ahead, if you've not tried Leafpad yet, you can set SEO optimized content on schedule. We do keyword research using Ahrefs. We find the right opportunities, create blog around it, so that you get more business by getting organic traffic from Google and all across AI platforms. Cheers.